AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps, and in previous video we have seen like how we can monitor CPU utilization of any EC2 instance or any server using shell script. Okay, but in this video we are going to see how we can monitor disk space of any server using shell script. Okay, so for that I have written this shell script, and where I am defining the threshold is 90%. So whenever our disk utilization reaches to 90%, it will trigger a lot according to that. Okay, so here we are using disk usage variable. Then after that, so let's go here. I have already explained it. Okay, so we set a threshold for disk usage that in our case is 90%, and we use df command to check disk usage information in the root file system. Okay, so we are using df command as well here. Okay, and we are checking the disk usage. If you know Linux command, then we use df to check the disk availability. Whatever disk availability is there, we used to check using df command. Okay, so then we are using tel-n. Okay, and one exact the line of the df output. Okay, extract the last line of df output, and we are also using awk command and print $5, extract the fifth column which contains the usage percentage. So we compare the usage percentage to the threshold and provide a warning if exceeded the limit. Okay, so we are using tel command, we are using awk command, and we are using set command as well. Okay, so then after that we are using if else condition here. If disk usage is greater than the threshold, then disk is running low and disk uses this. Okay, and the disk usage variable that we have defined here, and else disk space is within acceptable limit and disk usage so disk usage that whatever threshold we have defined under 90%. Okay, so that is fine case here, and we have closed this with fi. So this is how we can monitor disk usage of any server or any EC2 instance. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this script, then do let me know in the comment section, and I have pushed all the script here, so you can go and you can check out all the script in GitHub. Okay, in my repository, and you can use it. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.